Hello students, welcome to class. In this session we will discuss about a concept based on automata and its classification. Okay, so what is the word automata means? So the word automata is itself closely related to the word automation. Okay, automation. What does it denote? It denotes automatic processes carrying out the production of specific process. Okay, what does the automation means? Automation means the process of carrying the production automatically without much interference or indulge of any human being. Okay, that is the key, that from there the word automata derived, and the same was tried to perform through the computer or the devices which can be operated by the persons, but the operations will be performed by the machine. Okay, so this is what this is basically what the automata means. Okay, now if we talk about the classification, then the classification of automata will be like this. Okay, have a patience and try to understand the things in the whole coming lectures. We will discuss each and everything in detail. Okay, so the the automata is classified into four types. One is finite automata. Finite automata. Second is push down automata. Third is linear bounded automata. Linear bounded automata. Okay, and fourth is Turing machine. So these are the classifications of automata. Okay, now as we will move further to the lecture, we will come to understand about the some terminologies that like grammar, then we will understand about a concept based on languages, then in what type they were classified. So I will discuss those things right now, but no need to worry about the understanding that what does it means. Okay, I am just seeding the keywords which we will going to understand in the coming lectures. Okay, so what kind of grammar were preferred by the automata, or you can say finite automata? So finite automata prefers the regular grammar. Okay, regular grammar. And if it is preferring the regular grammar, then language which it support will be a regular language. Okay, now if we talk about the push down automata, then the grammar supported by push down automata is context free grammar. Okay, then what kind of language it will support? It will support context free language. Fine. Now, if we talk about linear bounded automata, then what kind of grammar will be supported by linear bounded automata? Linear bounded automata will support context sensitive grammar. Context sensitive grammar. Then what kind of language will be supported by context sensitive grammar? The language supported by context sensitive grammar will be context sensitive language. Context sensitive language. Okay, now the last is Turing machine. So what kind of grammar will be supported by the Turing machine? Turing machine will support unrestricted grammar. That is unrestricted grammar. Okay, so and what kind of language will be supported by this kind of automata? This will support the recursive enumerable language. Recursive enumerable language. Okay, now one thing I have left here about the of classification in terms of type. So remember this keyword also, that the different types of automatas were classified under the different types. That if we talk about the type, then see, you can say that finite automata is come under the category of type 3 language. Okay, and if we talk about push down automata, then push down automata will become under the category of type 2. Then if we talk about the linear bounded automata, then it will become under the category of type 1. It will come under the category of type 1. And if we talk about the Turing machine, then it will become under the category of type 0. Okay, so we have discussed about various classifications. In first is finite automata, second is push down automata, third is linear bounded automata, and fourth is Turing machine. Okay, so in the coming session we will discuss each and everything in detail. So please stay tuned, because we have to understand in deep about the grammar. We have to understand in deep about the languages, that what are the languages are there, and about the types. Okay, so how the grammars will work and what are the representations of the grammar, that is more important. So you will you will understand the things about each and everything in just by viewing the videos and all. Okay, and no need to worry about the toughness of the subject, because as we move on and if you will follow the lesson regularly, you will find this subject very light. Okay, but the thing is that you have to be continue with the session. Okay, so in the next session we will discuss about the finite automata and its classification with grammars in the detail. So first we cover finite automata, then we will cover push down automata, then we will cover linear bound automata, and then Turing machine. So this will be the workflow for our this TOC subject. Okay, thank you.